Hello! Let us make a summery blackened shrimp salad bowl. Yum! Let's start by washing our hands. So for our fully loaded blackened shrimp salad bowl, we're going to be needing some grilled sweet corn. So let's start first by grilling our corn. All right, friends, so now that we're done grilling our corn, let's work on the shrimp. What I like to do is to take the shrimp that has already been deveined without the shells on and butterfly them. So I cut them right on the spine up to the tail and open them up this way. So I don't cut it all the way through the spine. And what does that do? It's for presentation reasons. I want my food to look good. And for this recipe, I'm using 24 jumbo shrimps, deveined, deshelled, and we're now butterflying them. Now to blacken our shrimp, we're going to need the following ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon each of crushed black pepper, chili powder, cumin, Old Bay seasoning, which has salt in it, so we will not be adding salt. Garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Just a little bit of oil and start mixing away. We want to coat all of our shrimp pieces with our blackening mix. Oh, and that cumin is coming through. All you need is a little bit to go a long way. Cumin is a very assertive ingredient, so be light-handed on that. A pinch or 1/4 teaspoon will do it. And that is all she wrote for the shrimp. Now we're going to assemble our salad. Our shrimps will be seared very shortly, and then it's going to be placed on a bed of an assortment of vegetables. So now what we're going to do is create that bed. We start first with our cleaned lettuce. I cleaned it with some vinegar, white vinegar. I sprayed it on there, let it sit for a little while, and then I rinsed it off and let it drain. Now we're going to chop our lettuce up. And now here comes our bed of lettuce. I just love the smell of lettuce. They are grassy and fresh. And now we're going to cut our grape tomatoes into halves. Stay with me. The prettiest part is what's coming up. So now I'm just slicing my onions, and you can chop them if you want. Time to make our salad dressing. For that, we're going to need 1 clove of garlic. Crush it right into your salad dressing mixing bowl, just like so. Then to that, you're going to drizzle in about 3 tablespoons of oil. And this is olive oil. And then you're going to add the same amount of balsamic vinegar. And now you want a pinch of crushed black pepper and a pinch of salt. Perfect. And that is all she wrote for our salad dressing. Very simple vinaigrette. Now let's mix it up. And this is ready. We are done mixing our salad dressing. Let's set that on the side and cook the shrimp. A little splash of oil. And we're going to cook the shrimp on a medium-high heat. Our shrimp is done cooking. We're letting it cool down while we finish assembling the salad. I'm just cutting the corn kernels. And we also need an avocado in the salad, so we're going to cut that open. Remove the pit. So I've chosen to cut my avocado into bigger chunks for presentation reasons, but you can definitely cube yours, chop them. It's your food. You do whatever you want. All of our components are ready now. Let's finish assembling our salad. Corn, just randomly, you want to make it look pretty, but don't cover everything up. Shrimp time. Avocado time, while keeping in mind not to cover everything. All right, now one thing I like to do is to sprinkle a little bit of salt on my avocado, just to season it up. If you know, you know, avocado and salt go together. And then I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of crushed black pepper right onto my avocado to season that. Crushed black pepper, a little bit of salt on your avocado. Very simple ingredients, but really amplify the flavor. Now I have some feta cheese for some more protein. Also will bring in a bit of tang, which is lovely in any salad. I'm just gonna take it and crumble it, just all around. Totally optional, but I feel like it really helps to brighten things up in terms of the color, the bits of white here and there. Perfect. A wedge or two of lime or lemon. Now tell me, you don't want to dig in. Time to taste this stunning salad. We take a shrimp. Let's get a lettuce on there. A tomato. Friends, can you tell how excited I am? I mean, this is a bowl of rustic goodness. I mean, the avocado is bringing that creaminess. We're getting that smokiness from the grilled corn and also the shrimp. That pinch of cumin is coming through so well and is making it really rounded and bold. My friends, a bowl of freshness. Any nest that you can throw in there, any goodness that you can throw in there, it will fit in this bowl. I am too excited. I cannot wait to dig in, and I surely hope that you all give this salad bowl a shot. I'm gonna be enjoying this salad bowl with my husband, who has tried it, and let me tell you, when he took the first bite, he shut his eyes without even realizing it. That's how I know he enjoys this. And if my husband loves it, trust me, you all are going to love it too. So it is chop time. Let me go enjoy this bowl with my husband. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. See you soon on my next one. Bye.